Las Vegas, CES 2020, the Renewable Rechargeable Review. Autonomous flying drones? What's up with that? It's the renewable and rechargeable review with the RSI Guy. Farhad, he's from Canada, Notos Technologies, the autonomous soaring drone. Sir, can you tell me what your product is all about?
Our product is basically optimizing any drone system, or glider to be specific, to take advantage of the thermal energy existing in the air and to be able to extend the life of a drone in the air. So we are like with our current standards, we can extend the 20 minutes battery life to 1 hour 30 minutes and 8 minutes flying with the engine to 8 hours.
Wow.
So we are hoping to team up with a hardware company to deal with our software, and we do reinforcement and machine learning on the back.
Right. And what kind of applications does this have?
One of the main one is pipeline control, agriculture control, wildfire control, and any kind of drones that can go and stay up. Our vision in 5 or a couple of years is we want the drones to go and stay up as long as possible, weeks and days, maybe control wild and like follow wild animals and control how they behave.
So if you had your technology out right now, Australia could benefit from it.
Right now, it would be perfect for us because most of the thermal there caused by fire, and we could stay up with 1 minute for a longer, like hopefully 1 hour for 1 minute of engine.
Well, I hope you find that partnership so you can get out there and make everybody a little bit safer.
Thank you. We could also build it from in-house, but it would be costlier for us. But if someone needs it, we have a pilot and aerospace engineer who can help us with that.
All right, well, I'm sure it's going to all come together for you because you're out here at CES 2020 doing your thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please like and follow us on Facebook, RSI Green Energy Network. Follow me on Twitter at GuyRSI. Visit our website, rsigreenenergynetwork.org. On YouTube, please like, subscribe, and share all the videos. The Renewable and Rechargeable Review.